Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and showing you two brand new products from DeWalt, their first ever cordless ratchets. They're part of DeWalt's Extreme 12 Volt Max and Atomic Compact Series 20 Volt Max line. Both of the models they sent me are the 3/8 inch ratchets. Just one is a 12 volt, which I have right here and I'll show you. The other one is almost identical, except it is the 20 volt 3/8 inch ratchet. So I actually had to get my very first ever 12 volt battery. I don't have any tools that have one of these. It's shaped a little bit different. It's more compact. So that goes with the 12 volt Extreme line. And then I'm going to take one of either, because this is the whole purpose for this tool is to fit into compact areas. I'm not going to put a huge honking battery on it. So I would probably in real life use my power stack or this 2 amp hour just because it's so streamlined. Both of them are very small. Actually, I think for this application, I'm going to show it to you with the power stack battery on it. So at first glance, they look almost identical. It's just that one is part of the Atomic line and one is part of the Extreme line. As you can see, actually the Atomic one is actually a little bit longer. So I'm going to get out my trusty tape measure and show it to you. So the 20 volt tool with the battery is about 15 inches long. The 12 volt Extreme ratchet is just shy of 14 inches long. I would call it 14, but it looks like it's just shy of 14 inches long. The 20 volt tool is actually about an inch longer. Specifics about these products: both compact brushless ratchets allow users to fasten and remove nuts, bolts, and more in hard to reach areas. They're each designed with a glass-filled nylon tool housing that provides resistance to automotive fluids and solvents for use in automotive and other demanding applications. With the introduction of ratchets, users can expand into a new product category amongst DeWalt tools across both the DeWalt Extreme 12 Volt Max and Atomic Compact Series 20 Volt Max lines. The new Extreme 12 Volt Max ratchets are available in several different options. There's the 1/4 inch model, number is DCF504. 3/8 inch model number is DCF503, and that's what I'm showing you here. And then the 3/8 inch extended reach model is model number DCF503E. A little bit about the others I just mentioned but don't have here in front of me. They're compact and performance packed. The 1/4 inch 12 volt max Extreme ratchet features a powerful 40 foot-pound max torque brushless motor, while the 3/8 inch and extended reach ratchets boast a 60 foot-pound max torque rating and 250 RPMs. Ratchets are the latest addition to the Extreme portfolio, which now includes 15 tools. Engineered for performance and durability, the new Atomic Compact Series 20 Volt Max ratchets, they're available in a couple of different sizes. There's the 1/2 inch, which is model number DCF512, and the 3/8 inch, which I have right here, DCF513. The square drive configurations each provide 70 foot-pounds of max torque. Size meets power through the compact design that helps reach fasteners in tight spaces in areas with minimal access. Ratchets are the newest tools to join the growing line of Atomic Compact Series products, which now includes 16 tools. All models are equipped with an LED light to help provide illumination in dark spaces, a variable speed trigger for user control, as well as a trigger lock to help prevent unintended activation when the tool is not in use. The forward reverse switch allows users to quickly change direction of application. Each ratchet can be used manually in both directions. The 12 volt 3/8 inch ratchet I showed you here is listed for around $179 for the bare tool. And then the 3/8 20 volt ratchet I showed you, just the bare tool, is available for around $199. The 12 volt tool weighs around 2.2 pounds And then the 20 volt tool weighs around 2.6 pounds. Now that I've shown you the products and told you a little bit about them, you're gonna get a bit of a treat because I'm gonna be demonstrating them in my dad's garage with his 32 Fords he built himself. So by the power of editing, I'm gonna take you there right now. All right, welcome to my dad's shop. Here's a 32 Ford Roadster, 32 Ford Coupe. Okay, and since I don't really have a project I'm working on today, I mean, yesterday I put the new battery on my mower and used the ratchets, but I am just going to demonstrate how they work on this fine piece of, I don't know what this is, an auto carcass of some sort. We're just gonna have to be creative here and do a forensic reenactment. All right, let's give it a whirl. Okay, so this one is the 12 volt. Oh yeah, they come off lickety split, and these are really pretty old. They come right off. That's loosened. And go ahead and tighten this back up. Okay, and it's stopped. I'm gonna go ahead and switch this socket onto the 20 volt. I'm gonna see if I can feel a difference. Okay. Okay.
Look at that, like a dream.
Right off. Okay. Tighten it back up with the 20 volt. Try not to go. Okay, we're there. All right. So I hope this video was helpful and informative. Please leave any questions you might have in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. I'll include my affiliate links if you'd like to shop for these or any of the products carried by Ace, Acme Tools, Amazon, or Tool Nut. I hope you'll give me a follow, especially if you like seeing new DeWalt tools and products. I'm also on Instagram and TikTok if you'd like to follow me there. I'll see you next time, and until then, take care.